Okay, we're on. Hey, I'm Bob with Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'm here with Hope Yoder, and we're talking about embellish.
And
guess what?
Wait, Bob.
What's that?
Wait. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Hope Yoder.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. All right, wait a minute. A little comic relief there, because I feel really short.
On October 3rd and 4th, we're going to have a lecture class with one of the trainers, Kim.
Oh, Kim is fabulous.
In the Sioux Falls store. And so sign up now because it's going to fill up. It's limited seating.
So we've been talking here. Bob's here in Knoxville, Tennessee at Embellish Headquarters, right?
Yep.
And Embellish, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a new brand from R&K Distributing. And we are the new kid on the block, but we're not new. We've got all kinds of cool embroidery. Like, can you see my jeans? You know, hey guys, why don't you get a pan? We have other folks here in the room doing some training too. And tell them what you think about Embellish.
Awesome.
All right. So my jeans, you guys, and this is something we're going to teach them to do. Jeans are so hot. If you've heard of Free People and how they do embroidery on jeans, well, we're going to tell you how to embroider on super stretchy jeggings, because it's not like the Levi's or the Wranglers that you might wear.
Yeah.
You probably don't wear super stretchy jeans, do you?
I don't.
You do. I'm putting you on the spot a little bit. But Embellish, we have a lot of fun. And we're going to teach you how to make jeans look really good, how to do a baby onesie, how to embroider on a t-shirt. Bob, tell them about this t-shirt.
Yeah, we did this t-shirt here. And look at this. You can custom make your own t-shirts with Embellish.
And Bob uses his powers for good, not evil.
Yes.
He looks like a superhero. All right, and tell them about this. What they're going to see this at the event. We're bringing a lot of these.
And look at this. You can line up your design on your t-shirt. It is so fast and easy. It's awesome ruler.
And you guys watching, yes, Bob actually made this himself.
I did it myself.
Nanny boo boo. He did it himself.
Nobody told me.
Nobody told me. You're not the boss of me. All right, so when's the date that we're coming again?
October 3rd and 4th.
And if you can't tell, we're having a lot of fun here, and we look forward to seeing you. Bob is probably going to make an appearance with his shirt, or maybe he'll have an even different shirt on. Maybe he'll have a... Oh, stay right there, Bob. Say something.
I can custom make my own shirt for this event.
But
Show you how much fun Embellish is. Completely different than anything you've seen.
you got to come. And you know what?
Okay.
Depending on how much I liked you, here, can you kneel down? Okay. All right, because he didn't make this, but if he's really a nice superhero.
Embellishment!